Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my Aldi haul, and you're going to see a few things a little bit different here because we're really focused on just having overall healthier household. So instead of soda or any kind of soda, we only have sparkling water here. It's sodium free, calorie free, and sugar free. So there's no flavoring in this at all, except for like, well, I guess it's a lime flavored, but it's not like it doesn't taste sweet, or there's no like sugar alternative. So yeah, this is the Aldi brand Pure Aqua, and this is the Bella V. I think that's how you pronounce the sparkling water. This is a really great alternative if you're looking for a healthier version of just like ginger ale or something like that, because sometimes when I eat I need a little bubbly something to help me burp. So this has definitely been my go-to so far. I've loved this for the last couple of weeks that I've been at Aldi. Here we have some raw jumbo shrimp. They also have, and this is how it looks like. It is a pretty decent size. Of course, when you cook it, it'll shrink a little bit more. So I prefer to always get their jumbo size than the medium size because it'll shrink. It's really, really tiny once you cook it. And then I always prefer to get them raw because they're deveined, shelled, and tail on, easy to peel. The shell and tail is on, but it's easy to peel. And it comes with about 19 to, let's see, 23 shrimp per pack. It's probably maybe about that. It looks like it could be about that in here. So yeah, this is their Fairmont Fish Market brand. I also have a pack of good old drumsticks from Aldi. This was the best price I saw there, which was $4.99. I remember this pack of chicken was about this price, about $3 to $4. Now it's gone up about $5 to $6, or maybe $7, $8, depending on the weight. So the price of everything has gone up in Aldi, and so that's why I wanted to discuss here as well. I went to Giant and I got some okra, some cut okra, to make some Nigerian okra soup. I'm just noticing how wilted this lettuce is, and I'm kind of mad about it, but I'll just have to eat it quickly. It's iceberg lettuce anyway, so it's really not that beneficial. But again, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 okras from Giant. I also have some spinach here, some carrots here, some mushrooms here, some fresh broccoli here. This broccoli was $1.86. I have a bag of avocados here, and I also have, this is like their Asian, or I don't know if I'm saying it wrong, but they're Asian brand, so of like food. So they have a Mandarin orange chicken. We've had this before. It's pretty good. It's really thick pieces of like white meat, breaded chicken, so you can either eat it without the sauce or you eat it with the sauce. Sometimes the kids eat it without the sauce as like chicken nuggets, but this is really good. I had a taste for some Chinese food, and I really am trying to get out the habit of ordering out, just because prices are so crazy with ordering out, and it's just healthier to make it at home if you can. This brand, the calories is 290 per serving, for 5 ounces per serving, so it gives you a total of 5 servings. And then we also have these pot stickers. I thought I grabbed the chicken ones, but it looks like I grabbed the pork ones. But that's okay. A little bit of pork is not going to kill you sometimes, but I prefer not to have pork. Now this one is about 300 calories per 6 pieces. So if you want to do 150 calories, you could just have 3 pieces instead. Hold on, let me pick up my baby. Alright, buddy. Oh, you want to help me? Then we have some Aldi. This is the first time I actually saw these little pouches. And so I got a couple of them because I typically only get Gerber brand for my baby. So I got a couple of those. Then we have veggie straws. Again, our go-to, which is orange juice with mango. We have some wavy potato chips here, some hummus. These are the honey pretzels. These are our fave. We have 2 cans of tuna. This is their hazelnut spread here. Then we have the strawberry preservatives, baby dill pickles. We have some sauerkraut. We have some beets. So I got all of these pickled things because I really am trying to work on a better gut health overall. So eating more healthier choice items and eating a lot of fermented foods help with that. Then over here we have plain light yogurt. I was looking for Greek yogurt. They didn't have it in stock, so I just got this plain light yogurt. Then we have some protein granola. Then I have some s'mores granola bars. And I have some, what are these? These are wheat thins, pancake mix, and the Aldi brand of pretty much cinnamon toast crunch. And so all of this that you're seeing here, oh, and the oatmeal back there, the Gerber oatmeal, all of this food came up to, I think, let's see, about $100 and something dollars. So I'm gonna show you guys the receipt. Let's see. Giant was $24.28, and Aldi was $83.11. For about pretty much $100 ish. This is what we got today. Now with this food, I will be making a few meals. I'll be making some okra soup. That's why I got the okra. Let me wrap up quickly because my baby's crying. I'll be also making some pepper soup. Now all of these dishes are like Nigerian dishes. And then we have a little snacky snack things for the kids. At least healthier alternative snacks for the kids. And then, yeah. So this stuff probably will last us a few days before I have to go back again. I'm going to try to see if I can stretch it out throughout the week though, because if you guys have been really watching our videos, you would notice that the prices of things have really just gone up. $100 would have bought me, I feel like, more items, but it did not. So yeah, the prices are getting ridiculous. So if you can find other means, I really would suggest it. Even for me, if I could find other means, Aldi literally is my go-to store for like cheaper produce, cheaper items. But Aldi really isn't cheap all that much anymore. A lot of their prices are really comparable to Walmart, believe it or not. So I still am an Aldi fan. However, I definitely would say that they don't really seem like they're that much of the cheapest. Walmart and Aldi are pretty much going neck and neck when it comes to prices. So comment down below, how do you guys feel about the prices now when it comes to grocery shopping? And do you guys feel like it's the same? You know, overall, are you starting to feel like a little bit of the weight when it comes to grocery shopping? Because literally when it comes to grocery shopping now, I have to plan meals before I grocery shop. At first I used to just go to the shop and get what I want, but now I actually plan meals before I grocery shop because I don't want to buy things that won't make meals, if that makes sense. So yeah, so that's it for today. And yes, it is on top of my washer and my dryer. Okay, till I see you guys next time. Bye bye.